Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Floating on Books and I am Nishtha. So if you're new here, of course you're new here, even I am new here. So if you're new here, please subscribe, and if you like the video, well, this is for the end, isn't it? So today I decided to do the BookTube newbie tag because I am new to the BookTube community and technically it should have been my first video, but I don't know why it isn't. It wasn't. So yeah, so let's get started. So the first question here is, why did you start this channel? I mean, one day I watched a lot of booktube videos and I thought about starting a booktube channel. This was one reason. Another was that I just needed a space to talk about books and everything because not many of my friends are readers, and if I talk to them about these things, they are like, you're such a nerd and everything. So, yeah, for that, and yeah, I wanted to give YouTube a try too. So, that's it. Next question: what are some fun and unique things you can bring to BookTube? Am I supposed to bring any such thing? I don't know because I am neither fun nor unique. Yeah, but I'll soon be starting literature for my higher studies, so I'll be able to analyze lines and books and compositions a bit better than I do right now. So I think I'll be able to bring that. Able to bring a bit better insights, maybe. Yeah. Next question: what are you most excited for about this new channel? I'm most excited about people finding this, or people finding me, and losing the fear of talking in front of the camera. I'm most excited to lose that. Yeah. Next question is, why do you love reading? Escapism. Yeah, this is a really loud household. If you watched the last video, kids were shouting. So yeah, it's a really loud household, and first reason is escapism, obviously. And second would be, I don't really know. I've been reading since I was a little kid. I used to see my elder sister reading, and I used to read too. Uh, yeah, I don't really. I mean, it's become more like a habit now. It's gotten inculcated into me to just read. If I'm not reading, it's something's wrong. Yeah. So, next question: which book or series got you into reading? I do not remember because I started reading in like class 1 or 2. So I was really and I don't remember what I started reading and how it got me there. But one book I remember from my very early childhood is a magazine. It used to come with the paper Dainik Jagran. If you're Indian, maybe you know about this. Dainik Jagran, it used to come with it. Its name was Nandan. So I used to read it cover to cover. It had cartoons and animal characters who speak and in the forest and they get in trouble and everything. And other comic book type stories were there in it, and jokes and information. So I used to read it from cover to cover. I used to reread it several times during 1 month because it came once a month. It was a monthly publication. So that I used to do. So that is something I remember, and I remember reading Enid Blyton. She's amazing. I remember reading Famous Five, Secret Seven, and there was another, but the name of the series I don't remember. Yeah, but I read. Used to go to the library, read. Next question is, what questions would you ask your favorite booktubers? First question I would ask is, how do you get so much money to buy so many books from? Like, I am broke. I am always broke. From where do you get so much money? Second is that how do you maintain such bookshelves? I mean, so they are, when I see it on Bookstagram, they are so big and beautiful and lights and everything, and a lot of bookish merch is there, and so they must get dusty and everything. To maintaining it, is it obviously hard, and how do they do that? I honestly want to know, and I want to know what inspired them to start the channel. I mean, like now they are so big, but starting it, what was the starting point of that? So yeah, that, and how did they overcome their fear of the camera, of people seeing them talking? This is a fear I have, that people will see me and be like, oh my god, I hate her, she talks so badly. And I'm like, okay. So I want to overcome that, and I want to ask them how did they overcome that, if they ever had it. Next question is, what challenges do you think starting a booktube channel will be the hardest to overcome? I think the hardest challenge is finding the audience. Reach. Main is reach, because I'm new, nobody knows about me. Also, none of my friends know I have this channel, because I don't know why I did not want to tell them. None of my family members know. They just know I make some videos. They do not know the name of the channel or anything. So yeah, uh, finding an audience and making people believe that I am true, that I am a credible source to get maybe book recommendations or book reviews or thoughts on a book or character, making people believe that, that is, I think, is the biggest challenge that I need to overcome. Next question is, when did you start reading? As I said, since my early childhood, very early childhood, I have been reading a lot. Where do you read? I read everywhere. I read here on this roof, on terrace. Yeah, I read on my bed. I read on the chair. I read in my couch. One time I was even reading in a mall, because all of my friends were, I don't know what they were doing, and I was getting bored. And I always have a book in my bag, a novel, a book. When I say book, I always mean a novel or a short book series, short stories, sorry, short stories compilation or poems, something like that. I never mean NCRT or any course book, never. So yeah, I read everywhere, anywhere, any place I get a chance, I read there. Next is the last. What kind of books do you like to read? I mostly like to read fantasy, and thrillers, mystery. Mostly these. I mean, I read fiction. I do not like non-fiction or self-help at all. Okay, so yeah, these were the things. Mostly, yeah, fiction, dystopian, classics. All of these come under fiction. So yeah, fiction. I'll always go for fiction. I don't know why. I tried a few non-fiction books, but I don't know. They didn't really suit me or something. So yeah. So that's it. That's the 10 questions. I am done. Yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a like, comment down below whatever you like, and share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.